Vinylmax receives its large sheets of glass on racks that each hold more than 2 tons of glass. A custom shuttle system moves the various racks of glass into position so the high-speed automated cutter can select the proper glass type and thickness. Automatically staging the racks of glass eliminates labor-intensive and time-consuming changeovers from one rack of glass to the next. Instead, a constant flow of sheet glass is presented to the cutter. Sophisticated software analyzes all the sizes of cut glass required to make the day's window production and determines how to pattern the pieces together to utilize as much of the sheet glass as possible. That information drives the high-speed cutter to score the pattern into the sheet of glass and to carefully remove the low-E coating from the glass along the edges. This edge deletion ensures that the insulating glass sealant has the perfect surface for a lifetime seal. The operator breaks apart the individual lights of glass and matches them to the corresponding slot in the rack. The operator puts any scrap glass into the bin to be recycled. After the rack is completely full with cut glass lights, it is transported to the Erdmann vertical glass insulating line, where innovative rTPS thermoplastic spacer creates the weather-tight seal between the panes of glass. The operator feeds each light of glass onto the conveyor. The first stop is the glass washer. Vinylmax meticulously controls the quality of the water used to wash the glass. Reverse osmosis and deionization reduces foreign matter in the water to fewer than 10 parts per million. Temperature and pH levels are also monitored and maintained at ideal levels. Specialized nozzles, brushes, and air dryers are used to ensure perfectly clean, dry, smudge-free glass. Next, the conveyor transports the glass to one of the thermoplastic spacer application stations. Our thermoplastic spacer from H.B. Fuller is stored in large drums and then heated to a precise temperature. The molten spacer is robotically extruded directly onto the edges of the glass where it chemically bonds to the glass. The conveyor stops at the grid installation station, if required. There, lasers guide the operator to place the grids in precisely the right location. The argon fill and press chamber performs two functions. All sheets of glass for the insulated unit enter the chamber. It floods with safe yet dense argon gas, which is captured between the panes of glass as they are aligned and pressed together to create an argon-filled insulated glass unit. The last function in the vertical insulating glass line automatically dispenses hot melt butyl around the perimeter of the insulated glass unit. This creates a secondary seal as a barrier to moisture penetration and gas leakage. To ensure quality, the operator performs a final visual inspection of the glass unit. Then the unit is routed to the correct production line.